Nutcracker journey, 25 unique videos, one new video every day leading up to Christmas. Day 12, we have a full body warm-up routine, follow along. And we are going to begin with Grand Plie in second position, twist to the right, 1, 2, 3, and twist to the left. Feel the stretch on the back, press shoulder forward, and change. Breathe. Go to the left and we repeat 2 more times. Press forward, change to the left. Feel that stretch on your back. Gentle twist. We stretch up. We're going to do Grand Plie in second position. Continue Grand Plie. Use pour de bras so we can warm up our arms, shoulders at the same time. This is not a technical Grand Plie, just focus on opening up your hips and feeling that stretch here on your hips. 2 more Grand Plies, slow this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. You're gonna cross your left leg on the back, arms in second position. You're going to bend both knee, lift knee to elbow and down. 4 more. Feel the nice movement of your hips opening up. Last 2. Control the way up and down. And we change to the left. Ready? Cross leg on the back, bend knee, and up. You can either leave your foot flex or you can point. Don't forget to breathe in and out. 2 more. Nice. Now we have in the same second position, fingers to ankles. So triangle twist. Nice. Reach really lower down and your other hand goes back. Nice. Last 2. Great. Now we are going to reach towards the side. Arms in first position and stretch forward. Relax down, relax your neck. Recover up and repeat to the other side. Open arm second position, reach towards the left side. Torso towards the left diagonal in front of us. Lower down. Relax your neck. Reach up. Last time, 2 more times. Open and reach. Stretch. This position is like a table. Try to keep a straight line between your neck, your back, then relax down. Relax your neck. Go up. And last time to the left. Go 1. Meet in first position. Open and stretch your back and relax down. And recover up. Parallel position. And we're going to do releve continue. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alternating 1 demi point. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Now we go to the floor and we are going to do lunge position. From here you can either stay with your fingertips, lifting chest, or you can lower down to your elbows. You can drop knee down, point your toes to increase that stretch, or you just can leave it with knee up. We lower down, change to side lunge, change to the other side, and change facing forward, and you can lower down to your elbows. Our last exercise, we sit on the floor, legs together, and we lower all the way down and rest on your back. We are going to lift one leg, change to side lunge, change to the other side, and change facing forward, and you can lower down to your elbows. Our last exercise, we sit on the floor, legs together, and we lower all the way down and rest on your back. We are going to lift one leg, change to side lunge, change to the other side, and change facing forward, and you can lower all the way down and rest on your back. We are going to lift one leg, And we are going also to lift up the other leg and down. We're going to do 6 more. Control the way down with your abs. Awesome. 2 more. Last one.